What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing the Yoshi RS4 exhaust on the 2020 KX250f. So today we're going to be installing the exhaust. I did just get the slip-on. They were out of stock of the full exhaust, which is okay. Let's get into it. Here she is. Sheesh. I went with the Yoshi for one of two reasons. One, I've been looking at exhausts and Pro Circuit has been out of stock for a while now, and I talked to them and they do not know when they will be getting them back in stock. I wanted to go with the Yoshi next because that was the next best thing. They're like both really great, and actually Yoshi had better horsepower gains on a dyno, but again, all that kind of mixes with what kind of dyno, what bike, was a you know, whatever. So my birthday was coming up, so I sent the link over to Tiara, and I did. She ordered it for me, and that's why I love her, and that's why she's my fiance now. Yoshi RS4 right here in my hands, and we're gonna be installing it today. So some tools you're gonna need is an 8mm, a 10mm, something to take off the bolts with, and it's actually really simple. Let's actually do a sound comparison test from before and after. Now that we got that off, it's just going to be a 10, and a 12 for the exhaust clamp, and then the whole exhaust should come off. Alright, so you'll need to put the rubber grommet in, and then the piece goes in behind it. To ensure that it's lined up, put the bolt back in for that pipe in the middle, so you know that it's angled correctly and everything is in properly. Next, what you're gonna do is take the pipe and put it on, or bolt washer through the grommet. I have to wiggle it a little bit. Next, what you're going to do is use the supplied spring and the spring puller to connect the slip-on exhaust with the mid pipe. After that, you have successfully installed your Yoshi RS4 exhaust. Slip-on at least. there you guys have it. It's the Yoshi RS4 slip-on exhaust installed onto the 2020 KX250f. If you guys enjoyed the video, please go hit that like button, subscribe to see all the moto madness that I've got going on and started, and also comment down below. Let me see what you guys want to see added onto the bike. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.